Hello guys, I'm going to plant artichoke today. Let's go to the area where I'm going to plant them. The variety I'm going to plant is Green Globe artichoke. Artichoke is one of my husband's favorite vegetable. He put it in his sandwiches and on pizzas. You can also make artichoke dip. They are yummy. Artichokes are quite expensive. So I was thinking, why not plant them? They are perennial here in Zone 7. Growing tips. Plant in full sun, space 24 to 30 inches apart in rows 24 to 36 inches apart. I'm going to plant them in this area because it gets the morning sun and doubled sunlight in the afternoon, because here in Zone 7B it gets hot in the summer for more than 60 days. The fertilizers I'm going to use are alfalfa. The nitrogen value is 5, phosphorus is 1, and the potassium is 1. And also vegetable fertilizer. The NPK is 12-10-5. I'm going to plant them deeper than when I bought. This is the original soil level. My soil level will be up to here. My reasoning is that it gets windy here in the spring or when the weather changes. 3 days ago I planted this and they are looking great. Very nice root system. Press down the dirt around the plant. I watered the whole because the soil is so dry. The plants are watered. It would be nice if you're going to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to my video. Have a blessed day.